Hello everyone! I'm super excited to introduce the upcoming event Boost Productivity and Demystify workshops. This event is designed to help you understand the value of workshops, how leveraging workshop techniques can boost productivity for you, your entire team, and even beyond within the company. Within a two series of workshops, you will learn about types of workshops, when to run them, how to facilitate them, and some key components for successful remote workshops. Are you tired of unproductive meetings? Looking for ways to improve your productivity? Do you want to learn how to provide strategic input and enhance your workshop skills? If yes, this is the right event for you. Although it's designed from UX designers and researchers' perspective, it suits managers, team leaders, and anyone interested in improving their workshop skills. Since I was inspired by the book Game Storming, it's also for innovators, rule breakers, and change makers. This event consists of two series of sessions with a focus on theory and practical exercises. Through these sessions, you will learn about the types of workshops, when and how to run them to drive results. You will also practice through interactive exercises, which is the key to effective learning, right? As a spoiler, in the first session, together in a group, we will find a common problem, ideate, and find the right solution, and end up with the clear action steps. All right, take these advantages, reserve your spot as seats are limited. We can't wait to see you there.